what I've heard in my ear gate, the thing that has got in my spirit that has caused me to understand that you're speaking of. God, help me to guard it and to treasure what the Lord has done. Lord, let every word that's come forth over this great, hallelujah, gathering, let it bring a harvest in my life. God, let that seed fall on a good place in my heart. God, change me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. We talked and blessed God for Pastor Sherwood Burton. The time that we had in the prayer clinic. Hallelujah. God is ready, and he already has. It's already been released. Hallelujah. It already has been unlocked. You ain't got to go. You ain't got to pray for it. You ain't got to fast for it. It's already been unlocked for you. But you've got to guard this word that has been planted in your life over these 3 days. Every session that you've been in, every general session that we've had together, every covenant meal that we have shared,